ल्हान चलयेचेर लैंगीक अत्याचार केल्ल्या प्रकरणा वयल्यान बेळगांवच्या दुबावीत प्रशांत बस्तावडकार हाका कोलवा पुलिशेन अटक केली। ल्हान चलयेचे अश्लील फोटो काडून ताचे वयल्यान पयशे करपाचो यत्न ताणें केलो। चलयेच्या पालकांनी कागाळ नोंद केल्या उपरांत पुलिशेन बेळगांवच्या दुबावीताक अटक केली।
Station had registered an offence on 16 February. One victim's father had come to the police station and had lodged a complaint that one person by name Prashant Baswadkar, he befriended his minor daughter and thereafter sexually abused her. Also clicked some of the pictures of the minor daughter and thereafter was blackmailing her and was threatening her and was trying to extort money also at the same time. So we have registered a complaint a few days ago against an accused person. The accused basically is from Belgaum, Karnataka. So we started maintaining surveillance on him, and after tedious technical work and after taking the assistance of Belgaum police, we managed to round him off and we sent a team also and we apprehended him in Belgaum and we got him in Goa and we placed him under arrest.
Section?
He has been booked under sections 354, 363, 376, 383, 5062, 323, 511, section 8(2) of Goa Children's Act and section 4, 5, 7 and 8 of POCSO Act.
Remand?
No, we just bought him today, so we are placing on the arrest, so he will be produced before the court tomorrow and police custody remand will be applied.